Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to permanently disable the eco mode on your Nest thermostat. If you've ever set your thermostat to a comfortable temperature like 68 degrees Fahrenheit and then noticed it jumps to 73 degrees on its own, that's eco mode at work. Don't worry, I've got an easy fix for you. Let's get started. First things first, grab your Nest remote or walk over to the thermostat. On the home screen, go ahead and tap the settings icon to get into the settings menu. Once you're in the settings menu, scroll down until you see the option for Nest Sense. Tap on that. Now, under the Nest Sense settings, you'll see an option called Auto Schedule. This is the setting that's causing your temperature to change unexpectedly. Tap it. Next, go ahead and turn off Auto Schedule. This will stop the thermostat from automatically adjusting the temperature when you're not looking. Once that's off, simply scroll down and hit Done to save your settings. Now just scroll back to the home screen, and there you go. Your Nest thermostat is no longer going to jump to random temperatures on its own. And that's it. Super simple, right? No more eco mode switching things up when you're not around. Your thermostat will stay at the temperature you set. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tips.